Hello, this is Lolly, and I just have a summary of the Valentine cards that I made in my series, and then I will give you the links below to either the individual videos or just the playlist, which is probably the better thing to do, is just to give you a playlist of all of them. So on number 1, and this is all using this paper collection by Cartabella called Hello Sweetheart, and it was part of a design team project from Auntie Vera's Scrap and Craft, and not a design team, excuse me, a guest designer for this month. And there were a lot of elements in there that I wanted to use. So there were 3x4 cards, there were 4x4 cards, there were 4x6 cards, there were 12-inch strips of paper, and I was using different things, elements in each card. So the first one was this one. I love these little cut-aparts so much, and I wanted to use more than one on a card. So I had designed this little slot card here to be used with a digital cutting machine. And this can come out. Anyway, and so that's what these are for, and to hold as many of these as you would like to put in there. So this is card number 1. Card number 2, I had started off, originally I was going to make a shaker when I cut this heart here, and then I decided no, I would offset the heart that I took out. I would elevate it and offset it. So these wooden shapes were also part of my guest designer package that she sent me. This is the little strip that comes on the bottom of the paper. I still haven't mounted this on an actual card, so it's just on the black mat right now. But this was the paper in the collection. I love it, and I love how all these cards, you know, because of the paper collection, they all look so cute together. And then I made 2 of these. I made one, and then I made one on camera. And this is a booklet made out of the same 3x4 cards. I left them attached. I just folded them and adhered them together, made a little bookmark tag there for whoever gets it. This was part of the die that came in there. And this is the mini envelope punch board that I got from We Are Memory Keepers. And I did that again. Same process with another card. So that was number 3. Number 4 were these, where I wanted to use the 12-inch strips that were in there without having to do a 12-inch scrapbooking layout. So I made 2 of these, and I'm also using the 4x6 cards in these. Trying to get as much of this on camera as I can. And that was 4. This is 5, and I had another of my crafty dreams. And so it was about making a card with tabs on the cover and back, punching holes, and then running the lace through the holes. And you can see I added some dimension on the cover there. And then this is the other one that I made, doing the same process. And this is using the 4x4 square cut-aparts. Just adorable. I love all the cut-aparts in this collection. And last was number 6, and this one I used another 3x4 cut-apart in the card. I put it at the bottom of a cardstock. I made a shaker and put a layer of acetate above that. Added another embellishment here, this strip here, this sentiment from the paper edge, and then more sequins, built that up again, another layer of acetate. So this is a double layer, let's see if I can focus, a double layer shaker, which shows up a whole lot better in person. So right now it just looks like this little strip here is floating in there. So that was 6 designs all on the same paper pad, and I still have some more to go left on the paper and can use for other things, but I wanted to kind of wrap this up. I know you won't see this before Valentine's, but anyway, here's a quick summary. Thank you for watching, and I will create a playlist just for these cards so you can see the tutorials on how to make them, and you can go to that playlist. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and giving me a thumbs up on my videos.